Good day, everybody. My name is Thomas from Real Estate Medellin. Today, I'm bringing you another property very close to Medellin. This is an apartment in a condominium called Swiss, right at the top of Las Palmas. This is actually considered a cottage-like apartment. Now, this is an apartment. This is actually a very small apartment. This is a studio apartment. This very small. I'll actually give you. It's only one bedroom. Very good sized kitchen. I'm gonna show it to you in a minute. And a very good balcony. This is actually really nice though. And you get to see all that green. No, it's a very quiet apartment. The amenities on this unit are amazing. We're gonna go see them in a minute. Now, look at the apartment. And look at it. It's a good sized apartment for bachelors. Nice bachelor apartment. Single person, young person. It's just perfect. It's got the connection for the TV right there. Fire gas place. Also another area right there for another TV or your stereo. Now let's look at the washrooms. The laundry area is actually hidden very well in this apartment. So to look at everything, like you see this little apartment and think, well, where's the laundry? Well, the laundry is right here. It was actually integrated into the kitchen and the common areas. But look. Let's turn on the light. I didn't turn on. It's got good space to do your laundry. Washing machine right there. It's got the hot water accumulation tank right there. I don't like those though. I would change that one right away. And right here, behind this door, we have another full washroom. There is no need for two full washrooms right here because we have another one right here. This is the washroom and the master. Right behind that glass door, we're gonna see the walk-in closet with more than enough space to hang everything up. It's actually really good though. Nice and modern. Now we're gonna go walk around the building to see what we have right here, because the common areas in this building are top notch. You're gonna see it though. You're gonna really love it. Watch. Modern elevators, a lot of light everywhere though, which is amazing though. I really like this. Look at the elevators, beautiful. Now we're gonna go see look at the pool. The common areas, okay? Watch. They look really nice. Pool table, cool working. It's just great. Look at the common areas here. Right now, decorated for Christmas. Look at this. Done with a lot of glass. This whole area is just amazing. It's nice and warm. Beautiful, beautiful. Now, just look at it. Look at this. They're doing a little bit of maintenance right here, but look, they have two jacuzzis right here, which they're doing maintenance to right now, because it's a Monday. And we got a lap tube right here. And look at this view. And this area is a little bit in the mid side of Medellin because we're right at the top of Las Palmas. So, and this is warm. Let me tell you, it's very warm. It's really, really good though. I'm gonna go walk right here. I just pass the Turkish and the Turkish and the Turkish sauna. And now we're gonna go look at the sauna, the Turkish and the sauna. It's actually really nice though. It's actually, I see that everything is out of place right now, but it's, like I said, it's a Monday. So, look. Get a massage area and a Turkish. In a Turkish bed. Obviously, everything is under maintenance right now, but look, it smells delicious. Let me tell you, it smells great. Now there were some people actually doing exercise in the gym, so I'm not gonna be doing videos of that because I think it's very personal. Though, let me just walk by really fast. Though, I also see they have a little playground here for kids, right here, right there. See, which is part of all this. Let's just walk around right here. And now let's go to the second floor so we can walk around the building and see the building a little bit better. We have gyms right here. There's people actually working on it right now. And we go through here. Buenas. And we go through here. Now we're gonna go to the first floor and go outside. So this is the other area. And this is one of the entrances. This is for visitors parking. Look at this. Let's go walk around this building a little bit so you can see everything that is around. That is around right here. Because this is a great building in a great area. I really like driving by this building. Every time that I look at it from the road, I like it. It's beautiful. It's got a ton of amenities. And it's actually a very low rise building. It's got only 5 floors. But look. Quiet area. I already mentioned that many times. It's in a quiet area. It's got beautiful gardens. Beautiful, beautiful gardens. It's got 5 towers in total. 6 towers in total. And you're 10 minutes away from the city. You got everything right here. You can actually walk everywhere from here. A couple gas stations close by. And everything else that you can think of. Look. This is all here at Swiss. This is right at the end. So I'm not gonna go there. But look how beautiful the buildings are. Look how it looks. Now, let's go down a little bit. We're actually in the first tower. So, amazing. I say that a lot. I'm sorry. I'm gonna try very hard to not that say that much. Not say amazing, not much. I'm gonna be working on the copy for all these videos, so you guys get concise information, more professional concise information. And amazing properties. I guess this is it for now. My name is Thomas from realestatemedellin.info. Like, subscribe, share. Let us know what you think. Let us know if you like us showing you also apartments, or you just want to see mansions. Let me know. My name is Thomas, realestatemedellin.info. Goodbye.